see now Bob's going to extract our strawberry ice cream and add in some fresh strawberries into the batch. We do this post-straw so the strawberries will stay consistent throughout the tub. These particular strawberries we actually soaked overnight in a little bit of sugar water, so that keeps them from freezing in your dipping cabinet. There's many ways to do ice cream when you're making your own brand. And Bob spoke upon it. You can use 12%, 14%, 16, even 17%, how much air you're putting into it. When we work with somebody here at Sentry, we give them the foundation and the knowledge of how to make ice cream and how different things affect the finished product, and then really they take it and run with it. Your only limit is your imagination. There's no flavor that you can't do when you're making your own product, and there's no flavor that's too unique when you're making your own product. The nice part is when you create your own brand, nobody can match it because the brand is unique to your store. When you create unique flavors, like I have people who do jalapeno ice cream and chili ice cream in certain markets. I mean, nobody would think that that would be great, yet it's a huge following. And it's very hard to mirror. So in the end, what you're doing is you're driving sales. Not only is it costing less per tub to make your own finished product, but you do more business because people want to eat homemade ice cream. Many instances we've had people buying wholesale product for years. They've turned to make their own product, and then not only did they see their product costs go down because they're making it themselves, but they saw their ice cream sales go up because once the customer base finds out it's homemade, they want to come more often.